Welcome to Math Jeep. Today's question: if 3 to the power x plus y equals to 27, 5 to the power x minus y equals to 125, what is the value of x to the power y? These types of question is very important for SAT, IGCSE and Math Olympiad, and also any kinds of competitive examination. Let's start. We have to find out the value of x and y. That's why first we try to solve this one step by step. 3 to the power x plus y equals to 27. We know a law which is a to the power m equals to a to the power n, means m equals to n. Why? As per law of indices, once base are same, that time power will be equal. So here is the base is 3, so we can make this 27 to base 3. How? Look, 3 to the power x plus y equals to 27 means 3 cube. Now look, the base are same, so we can write x plus y equals to 3, and we can write this one equation 1. Similar, second, actually this is a step. 5 to the power x minus y equals to 125. So same, we want to make similar base. Therefore 5 to the power x minus y equals to 125. 125 means 5 cube. So here base are same, so we can write x minus y equals to 3. Okay, so this one is equation 2. Now this is a very simple equation. If we make addition each other, we can write add equation 1 and 2. So x plus y equals to 3. Okay, x plus y equals to 3, and then x minus y equals to 3. So once we make addition, so plus y and minus y out. So here we will get x plus x is a 2x and 3 plus 3 is a 6. So once we divide both sides by 2, it will become x equals to 6 by 2. So we can write a subnote: divide both sides by 2. So here 2 by 2 it means 1, so here is only x, and 6 by 2 means 3, so x equals to 3. Now any equation 1 or 2, you can put the value. So equation 1, put x equals to 3. Okay, so x plus y equals to 3. So x means 3, so we can write 3, and here 3 plus y equals to 3. We can exchange this one or transfer left side to right side. So y equals to 3 minus 3, it means 0. So x equals to 3, y equals to 0. Okay, so now we are almost last part. Find x to the power y. Therefore x to the power y equals to x means 3, y means 0. So the answer is 1. Why? we know a to the power 0 means 1, and this is our answer. I hope you cleared this one. This is a fantastic math to a good preparation for examination. Next video I am trying to solve these kinds of math, because once you make good practice, your examination will become very nice. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel. The name of channel is Math Jeep. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel, and also please share with your friends. Thank you.